This is a 2019 XLT F-150 3.3 liter. I used on the last oil change this K&N oil filter, and you can see right down there is the oil filter, and it has lugs on the end that you can wrench it off. Now let's go to the other side, and we can see that where one drains the oil, I don't need to loosen the whatever screen that is that you see. Some people see that nut right there. I've already loosened it. It happens to have a green mark on it, and when it gets loosened, it's going to squirt oil onto that sway bar. So you can see it there. Where did it go? There it is. You can see it there. And it's a 15 millimeter, no extension, short. So I'm not gonna pull it off right now, because it's gonna make a mess. Yeah, it's not over it. There we go. It's really loose. Here it comes. There's a dripping. It's loose. I have it between my fingers. Close. And it's going right into that pan, which is not even underneath the thing, but strangely enough, it's missing that sway bar. I'm going right into this pot or pan, and I'm just going to remove it over to underneath. So that's not too bad. There's like one drop on the floor, and there's the bolt. I had it between my fingers, but I choked and dropped it. Just have to clean the dirt off of it. So there you go.